So we have time for one more. It is forbidden to pass within 4 hours. Okay, we had this discussion. In front of one who is reciting Shemoneh Esrei prayer. Commentary. This is forbidden because it disturbs concentration. One who is praying. Chaye Adam explained that it is forbidden because passing in front of the person who is praying separates between the one praying and divine presence that he is facing. Mishnah Berurah. Oh yeah, that's we actually gave all of these 2 reasons and we discussed it. Okay, so sitting next to him and passing in front of him, 2 different things. So he's only passing in front of him. Therefore, if a person prays Shemoneh Esrei and then finished his prayer, and there is another person who is standing behind him praying, who did not yet finish Shemoneh Esrei, the person praying in front should not take the 3 steps back, because by doing so, it emerges that he is passing before the one who is praying, right? As we said before. So even let's say the space is smaller than 4 amos, because they sit in rows like in these benches. So it's less than 4 amos. So he waits until people behind him finish. This is forbidden even if one who is still praying began Shemoneh Esrei after the one in front. I mean, it does not matter what he began. He's still praying, so I'm not allowed to take these 3 steps back. However, passing besides one who is praying and certainly behind is permitted. So there is difference. I just wanted to point out there is difference between passing. Passing is not allowed only in front. That's what we said last time. On the back, there is no problem. On the sides, I think Shulchan said that may be a problem, but and then we follow linear opinion. That's what Kitzur also said. Okay, no problem if he passes on the sides. But sitting next to him when he's praying, that's the issue that they discuss. So they say 4 amos in all of the directions. You're not allowed to sit when he's praying, basically.